What's happening, guys? Mr. Allen here, about to do some non-right triangle trig with River Dog Jenny on the gram. All right, River Dog Jenny is checking out a squirrel at the base of a tree that is 200 feet away. There's another tree that's 250 feet from Jenny, and she thinks the squirrel's going to make a run for it, right? They always make a run for it, and then boom, she's chasing after him. If the angle of rotation from one tree to the other, Jenny has a protractor, right? So she's like, yo, tree, rotate. Yo, tree. Okay, 79 degrees right there. How far does the squirrel have to run to make it to the other tree, to safety? Can Jenny maybe catch it, right? Let's see. She's doing some calculations, right? She's good with the TI-84. Hopefully you guys are as well. All right, let's roll. First thing, let's draw a picture, right? So I'm going to go ahead and draw some kind of a triangle here. Let's say we got a tree, and we got another tree over here. Cool. It's a weird T. It was bothering me, okay? Now, Jenny, it's down there, right? So from one tree, she was 200 feet away, right? So 200 feet. And then to the other tree, it was 250 feet. And the angle by Jenny was 79, it's a weird 9 degrees. Beautiful. We're looking to figure out this length right here, right? The distance between the two trees. How far is that squirrel going to have to run? Is Jenny going to be able to catch it? I don't know, man. We'll see. All right. So I've got a side, I got an angle, and then a side. The angle is formed by those two sides. So this is a side, angle, side situation here that we're working with. And you may recall what formula we use here, but if you don't, let's just look at the situation. I don't have anything across from each other. I can't pair up any information in my superproportion of law of sines. So I am forced to use law of cosines here, and the setup ain't too bad. It's going to be x squared equals the 250 or the 200 squared, your call. Doesn't matter which order you do that in. 200 squared, since I did the 250 first, minus 2 times 250 times 200 times cosine 79. Running out of room. So we're going to type that whole entire mess on the right-hand side there into our calculator. All right, so I've got it all typed in, right? Make sure when you're doing this that you don't accidentally, don't try to evaluate individual pieces and stuff like that, like all the numbers first, then do your cosine later. You're going to mess with the order of operations, right? I type it all in. One thing you will notice is I don't have a multiplication sign between my cosine and that 200. It knows that it's then multiplication. It's implied that it's multiplication. Your calculator just does that. So if you forgot that right there like I did, no big deal. We're going to hit enter, and I get 83,000. I got to square root that bad boy, right? So I hit the caret. I do 0.5. If you want, you can just go ahead and do the second square root, arrow up and copy that whole mess in there. Your call. This is less keystrokes, so that's the way I do it. So I get x equals 288.82. So x equals 288.82 feet. That is how far it is from one tree to the other. So if that squirrel's starting over here, right, and he's like, right, Jenny's only got 250, right? She's got the shorter distance here. She might have the upper hand with this squirrel. But those little guys, they're fast. So is Jenny. I don't know. We'll see. I hope you guys have an awesome day. America, freedom, rock and roll, Costco. River Dog Jenny on the ground. Make sure you like and follow. Okay? She's so cute. All right. You guys have a good one. See you.